I can't believe we have a little piece of Jamaica right here close to home. Before taking a road trip, I ventured on Google and searched for some chicken wing, barbecue chicken wings. Only to find out there's a Jamaican Jam very close by. And so the experience was excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Very clean place. Um, the staff was very courteous and helpful. And yeah, I really liked it. You guys should check it out if you're in Long Island and you're looking for some Jamaican food. Go there. It's beautiful. Beautiful experience. I like it. Oh, I like their patty too. Their patties. That I had chicken patty. It was good. And this was the end result of fries and wings. Yeah, love it.